Waste warrior. The silent assassin of kitchen mess. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos with the Waste Maid 10 US WM058-3B garbage disposal, the compact beast that devours food scraps with 2,600 RPM of raw grinding power. Unlike those clunky, noisy disposals, this stainless steel anti-jam system grinds like a ninja, quiet, smooth, and ruthless on waste. Got peels, scraps, or leftovers? No problem. This bad boy shreds it all without jamming or shaking your whole house. With a compact design that fits under any sink, you'll free up space while keeping your kitchen odor-free and mess-free. Ever had a garbage disposal that chokes at the worst moments? Not this one. The Torque Master grinding system ensures maximum torque for jam-free operation. Those balanced stainless steel impellers cut through waste like a samurai sword, while the turntable keeps things spinning smoothly. And the best part? No Allen key required. This thing is smart enough to spin at full torque on the first go, obliterating jams before they even think about happening. You get a powerful yet whisper-quiet performance, so you can clean up after dinner without waking up the whole neighborhood. Dreading the installation process? Don't sweat it. The 3-bolt mounting system means you can swap out your old disposal in minutes, no plumbing nightmares, no hiring a pro. Just twist, lock, and you're set. Need hardwiring? No problem, it's got that too. Plus, this disposal is septic safe, making it a guilt-free, eco-friendly choice for any household. Why toss food waste in the trash when you can grind it down and keep your home cleaner, greener, and fresher? Flimsy disposals that rust in a year? Not here. This stainless steel warrior is corrosion resistant and backed by a 6-year warranty with a lifetime anti-corrosion guarantee. That's right, this bad boy doesn't just grind food, it grinds the competition. Customers rave about its durability, ease of use, and powerful performance, saying it's quieter, stronger, and better built than most disposals twice the price. Who needs expensive brands when you've got top-tier quality at a fraction of the cost? The Waste Maid garbage disposal is the kitchen upgrade you never knew you needed. It's fast, quiet, compact, and insanely easy to install. Plus, with its affordable price and long-lasting durability, you'll save money on repairs, plumber fees, and food waste disposal. Why suffer with a weak, jam-prone disposal when you can have one that actually gets the job done, every single time? Click Add to Cart now and let the Waste Maid take care of the mess.